So we just arrived in Gili, and one of the really sad things about this place is that this happens.
So sad. I can actually just stand and cry. They're so skinny. It's so hot. They've got no water. They're ponies, and apparently they carry like massive crates of beantang around. And we was going to actually stay. I wanted to really stay in a hut on the beach, but basically it said on the description that you need to get a horse and carriage there, and I was like, no, I'm not supporting that at all.
It's a bit of a sad way to start the intro of the video, but yeah, we've arrived in Gili. Tea.
Of course, pesto pasta is on the menu. That actually looks very good. We was gonna go on a sunset trip tonight, boat trip, but basically it's too choppy, so we can't go. And we can see the sun from the other side of the island, and it looks really nice, but it's too choppy. So we're hoping tomorrow that we can go on a snorkel trip. So we're just gonna go and get some corn. So in Gili Tea, there is loads of these little stalls. Actually, everywhere in Bali, corn on the cob. Fresh corn on the cob, and you can either have like garlic or spicy butter. Look how good that looks. It's a workout, that, isn't it?
I've got a corn.
Got the corn. Cheers. Cheers for the corn. Cheers. Trying to find somewhere for food.
Got a free budget.
We're going on a trip, a snorkel trip today, just getting the supplies. You're looking tan, darling.
Massa.
Just getting some water before we go on our snorkel trip with our trying on the duck feet. Flippers. Although, a little tip, if you don't want your feet to rub, wear trainer socks, and we kind of forgot, so they might rub a little bit, not gonna lie. Quack quack. And actually Jacob's got like a little sore from diving, so unless you just, oh no, it's above it, so it's fine. Quite a lot of people on the boat, maybe a bit too many people. We're off, boys and girls. See you later.
Yeah, just jump down.
James, have we come for you?
Run!
What's that thing that you say? B-roll.
Oh, li 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 li, mama.
dive was the statue. It was very, very crowded. It's just over there where you can literally see all snorkelers, but it was very, very crowded. You're just getting kicked in the face and you couldn't get a good photo. Like, look at all of the people. So yeah, we managed to get some good footage, but it was very, very busy. But beautiful day though. Sea's very clear. I think we're just going to go on to the next stop, which may be Turtle Bay. We're going to GILI for lunch as well. Our driver for the day. Also, we've got a glass bottom boat, but the glass bottom is kind of just for winter. That's awesome. What did you think?
Yeah, it's good. There's so many people, but obviously
too many people. Kicked in the face. You two collided.
There's a boat of about 30 people.
Yeah. What did you think of the dive?
I've been on better dives, but it's a beautiful place, beautiful water, beautiful people. So
apart from the ones that kick you in the face. Ooh, look how pretty it looks though. Look at all the people. And also there was all of us on there as well, but here we are.
So we've just finished our snorkel trip. Been for some food, which we will show you now.
Oh, I think I've caught the sun a little bit on my back. Oh yeah, I've got a little bit burnt on my back. But we see some turtles. It was all very nice. And how much was the snorkel trip?
150,000.
150,000, which is like
About tenner, I think.
£10. And it was an all-day thing. We left at 1, come back at 5, stop off for lunch, but we have to pay for lunch. It's a good little thing.
We got the jellyfish there.
There was a lot of little jellyfish. Got stung everywhere, but my necklaces are well cute.
Bosh. Where's your food?
We stopped up for lunch. Oh, here it is. I see it coming.
No, it's not yours.
Definitely is.
No, it's not.
Here it is. Here it is.
Ready?
Here it is.
Ready?
Hopefully it's not.
Ready? Ready? Oh, oh.
Yes, please.
oh yeah, pedas ya.
Wee.
Oh, thank you.
Just that rice.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, man.
That's great. Thank you.
Enjoy.
What have you got?
It just tastes very good. Thai green curry, chicken.
Oh yeah.
Wak wak.
Is that Indonesian style, is it?
I wonder if it is. When could it be different? Yeah, maybe. Good morning, everybody. It is the next day. It's so bright today, but the weather is so much better. Oh, we couldn't go on our sunset boat trip yesterday because the weather was a lot choppier, but absolutely beautiful today. Okay, so this is our hostel, but this is the entrance. Look how pretty it is. These are all double rooms, which I like. I can't remember how much they are, but I'll put them up on this screen how much the double rooms are, because I know they're a little bit more expensive than a dorm. But as you come through, you've got all of this really cute area here, and then on the right we have a small pool with some little deck chairs. Look how cute this is. And then on here we've just got like a board which has got everything on for like sunset cruises and snorkeling and stuff like that. Oh, look how pretty everything is. And if you come through here, we've got like a little beanbag astroturf area. So all of these rooms upstairs are all dorm rooms, and the dorm rooms are only 3 beds, so you won't have loads of snorers hopefully, but there are quite a lot of rooms, and this is the bar. This is such a little sweet area, and it's very quiet as well, so you don't actually hear all of the nightlife, which is like over there. And it's only it's about a 7-minute walk away from the harbour, so you're away from all the noise. And also you get breakfast included, which is it's like 2 waffles or some eggs, and they also do like happy hour. Okay, so as you walk in, you've got a little wardrobe area. Sorry about the mess, we literally just moved in here. You get towels provided, aircon. Hi honey. Got a double bed, and then the bathroom. It's actually quite spacious. And then just the big wet room. We've actually even got a rainfall shower, which is very good. Yep, this is our little room tour. Sorry about the state because we've just come back from a snorkeling trip. So we've come to this night market. We're hoping to try and find some food. See what I can find, if we find anything.
And a local fish, my man.
These are still alive, look.
I wouldn't say I'm far from being a vegan, but I still don't like to see my food still alive. Like, so yeah, we're gonna eat somewhere else. First time I've ever eaten dinner in a rave.
Yeah, literally, they were like waiting for us to go, and as soon as we walked out, he like cleared the table and moved it because people were starting to like dance around us. We was like in the middle of a dance floor. But
Obviously, you'll see the clip just before this, but we've had to change the music obviously for copyright.
It's a copyright. Hopefully, we shouldn't get copyrighted for this because it's just a guitar playing. But the meal was okay, apart from the fact I got several fish, but I guess that got sorted. But hey ho, we are going to Lombok tomorrow, so Lombok Adventures will start after this video. So thank you all for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
Also comment as well, because I love reading your comments.
Yeah, thank you to all of the people that comment. We enjoy reading your comments and we enjoy the fact that you're all so lovely. So thank you, because it makes our day, makes us smile.
And if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. Thank you.
Bye.